The infrared thermal imager RX-500 is a state-of-the-art device designed for accurate thermal imaging and temperature measurement across various applications. Its advanced technology and compact design make it an essential tool for professionals in electronics diagnostics, industrial maintenance, and HVAC troubleshooting. The RX-500 provides crystal clear imaging, making it easier to identify issues such as circuit board short circuits, heating pipe malfunctions, and component overheating. The device's temperature measurement range of -20 degrees centigrade to +550 degrees centigrade ensures versatility, allowing it to meet the needs of diverse industries. Equipped with a 2.8-inch display screen, the RX-500 offers a clear and detailed view of thermal images, enhanced by multiple color palettes such as rainbow, iron, white hot, and black hot. Its dual imaging modes, which include infrared, visible light, and dual light fusion, make it adaptable to different scenarios. The device also features advanced temperature measurement functions such as center point tracking and hot and cold spot detection, ensuring precise diagnostics. The adjustable emissivity settings from 0.01 to 1.00 further enhance its accuracy when working with various materials. Durability and reliability are core features of the RX-500. The device operates effectively in a temperature range of -10 degrees centigrade to +45 degrees centigrade and can be safely stored between -20 degrees centigrade and +60 degrees centigrade. It is lightweight and compact, weighing only 389 grams, making it portable and easy to handle. Additional features such as an LED fill light, adjustable power-off settings, and multi-language menu support further enhance its usability, catering to the needs of professionals worldwide.